Hi friends, today I want to share with you this new product that I just received today. This is a massage ball. Look, the color is gorgeous. The material feels good. Have this velcro to adjust the product at your size. You just put it in your body this way and adjust it. This product have two functions that are the vibration and heat, so you can feel that in your belt when you are using it. Came with this battery that is easy to put in your massage belt here. This way it's like magnetic, and you can just turn it on with this button. This give you a welcome message and have a button for the temperature, and these ones are for the mode, and you can choose in 10 intensities of vibration for your belt. Feels good, feels comfortable. The sensation of heating and the vibrations are good and feel good in my body too. So I highly recommend this product for you. See you.